Morning internet, welcome back to our channel. It is our fourth day in Nagaland and we're having a good time. And so after 4 days we are going for a ride just to explore the road. We don't know where we are going exactly, but it'll be like a short ride just for us to just explore our town and the village. So yeah, so we'll take you around. We'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye, have fun watching our video. This is beautiful.
Aww.
Yeah, we'll see you guys. Okay.
All right, so this is the town that I live. It's a small little town. It's called Jalukie. And the roads are not that great, as you can see. But I love my town. Today actually was a market day. So we call midnight market. People come in the midnight and start the market and finish by 9-10. So now people are slowly wrapping up. Yeah, so these are the main market. Hard to drive with the bad road, on the bumpy road. Let's have fun slowly. So our plan for today was just to ride on the road toward my village. So we are not sure if we will go inside the village, but it's just a fun since we are not doing anything much at home. So we decided to go for a ride. These are the market, and we're almost across the market. A lot of dust. I heard that they are going to construct the road, this part. The other side they are constructing and it's almost done, so I heard this one will be the next one to construct. So let's hope that it will happen soon, so that everyone will walk on a good road. This is the road I'm talking about that they are constructing, and which is almost done. They are constructing, and which is almost done. And here, the craziest part of my town is that people don't wear helmet when they drive. And I heard that like a couple of days back there was an accident and people died and their head was brushed out, and that's painful, but the person died on the spot. But I guess even the result of that is not wearing a helmet. So I recommend people, whether you're in the city or you're in a village or go for long drive or short drive, safety should be the first. Wear a helmet. If you have a knee guard or chest guard, whatever you have, invest for your safety. all came off. See that? Can you see the road? This is the old one, this is the new one, okay? Everything came off, see that? So cheaply done. I feel shy, eh? I don't know whoever taking the charge or the contractor. Like literally one rain, everything came off. Look at that. How can you say this is a newly road constructed? Everything is off. It's like you just put water and you just sprinkle it. That's how it looks like. It's better not to make if you're going to build a road like this. Ah, this is disgusting. Wait, I want to post this. You recording? Well, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay. Well, so since what to say?
Where are we?
Well, we are in my village. That side is my village. You can see because of the trees, like 5 minutes away from here. And we are in the viewpoint. Yeah, so that's all I can have to say. Very disappointing too.
Why? What's disappointing?
Well, I heard that the road was constructing and I was happy. And I mean, some portion was complete and some are still yet to construct. And regardless of all this, it was just like, you know, you pour water on the floor. It's not a road even constructing. I don't know whoever is taking the responsibility to build this house is
The road.
not the road. Yeah, not the house. I mean, the road is disgusting, honestly, because this is not a road. It's just that they
Disgusted.
rebuilt it in the same road where it was, and I thought it would be better and stronger. But like one rain, some of the parts are literally wiped away, and I see some of the walkers are still walking downside, and I like so discouraging to see. You know, I was happy in one side, but in the other, in many side, he didn't give his best. I think all the money must have eaten. Honestly, according to what I see, I might be judging wrong, but I don't. Who am I to judge people? You know, but on my view, I'm very discouraged.
Disappointed.
Yeah. So yeah, but
Whoever you are.
yeah. So, but we are enjoying our ride. That's all we are here for. So yeah.
Alright, so now that we have made it to our friend's house. Okay, that's my wife and my friend is just right there. Let me introduce to my friend. The one and only, the fisherman, Mr. Pauzai. Okay, we are different in our height, but he's my good friends. We grew up together and we are meeting almost in 1 year time. So he's shy, he's married, he's a father now. He's a father of 1 daughter. He's making more. Yeah, anyway, so time to sign off. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.